Aloha Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, January 15th. Happy Aloha Friday. The Department of Health is reporting one new case today who is a child resident that recently returned from mainland travel. We currently have 19 active cases, all are in isolation, and one is hospitalized on Oahu. We have 33 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is now 200, including 172 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 27 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. Our phased vaccine distribution program is active and expanding on Kauai. Patients and staff at long-term care facilities have been offered vaccines. Teachers and related school staff at K-12 public, private, and charter schools, plus post-secondary educators and child care workers have been vaccinated, as have residents of smaller care homes and those who work in the agricultural industry. If you fit into one of these categories and have not received an invitation through your employer, please complete a short survey on the county's vaccine website at kauai.gov/vaccine. Wilcox Medical Center in Lihue has begun administering the Pfizer vaccine to adults ages 75 and older. The vaccine clinics will be open to anyone 75 years of age or older and one accompanying caregiver. Vaccines are by appointment only and walk-ins will not be accepted. Please register at wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine and a representative will follow up with you. Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital in Waimea and Samuel Mahilona Memorial Hospital in Kapa'a is also offering vaccination clinics for those 75 and older and one accompanying caregiver. Appointments are required. To register, please visit kauai.hhsc.org. For kupuna who have difficulty making an appointment, please call the County Office of Elderly Affairs for assistance at 241-4470. To date, we have vaccinated nearly 5,000 individuals on Kauai. There are 2 varieties of the vaccine on our island, the ones developed by Pfizer and by Moderna. Both are very effective vaccines. Other vaccines are in development and a few are near release, so there will be also other options in the future, although the timeline is not yet known. If you are in one of the targeted groups, you should receive an invitation through your employer. If you believe you are eligible for a vaccine but have not received an invitation, please complete a short online survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. For more information on our vaccine distribution program here on Kauai, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Website has up-to-date information about vaccinations on Kauai. Meanwhile, whether you've been vaccinated or not, it is still important to wear masks, keep distance, and avoid large gatherings. The County of Kauai, in partnership with the Kauai District Health Office, is providing free COVID-19 testing for Kauai residents in high-risk industries. Those eligible include employees in the visitor industry, individuals who travel to Kauai with an approved modified quarantine, and first responders and county workers with authorization from their supervisor. Testing is available next week, Tuesday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the War Memorial Convention Hall in Lihue. No appointment is necessary. Closed Monday in observation of the holiday. Visitor and hospitality workers should bring proof of employment in that industry, such as a work ID, pay stub, W-2, or letter from employer. Individuals traveling on a modified quarantine exemption must provide proof of their modified quarantine approval from the state or the county. First responder agencies and county workers should bring an approved authorization form from their supervisor. If you are sick and think you should be tested for COVID-19, please call your primary care provider who can conduct an evaluation. If you do not have a primary care physician, call the hospital at 808-462-5430 and hit option 3. The Small Business Administration launched a new round of the Paycheck Protection Program this week. This program provides forgivable loans to businesses that experience a loss of revenue of at least 25%. Small businesses with 300 or fewer employees are eligible to apply. The PPP loans can be used to cover payroll and other eligible expenses. To apply for a PPP loan, you should consult with a local lender. Local lenders who are participating in the program include Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union, Gather Federal Credit Union, Hawaii USA Federal Credit Union, Bank of Hawaii, Central Pacific Bank, and First Hawaiian Bank. To learn more about the PPP eligibility and program details, please visit the SBA website at www.sba.gov/PPP. Kauai's new travel rules are now in effect. There are different options for travelers to shorten the required 10-day travel quarantine, whether you're an inter-island traveler or out-of-state traveler. Additionally, our modified quarantine program remains in effect for essential workers or those who must travel for medical needs. We have dozens of visitors daily entering our resort bubble program. Hundreds are now using the online Kauai arrival form, which speeds up transit through Lihue Airport. For more information on Kauai's travel rules, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. In observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, county offices will be closed on Monday, January 18th. The Kekaha landfill, all refuse transfer stations, the Puhi Metals Recycling Center, all the neighborhood centers, and the High Five Bottle Redemption Centers will be closed. The Kapa'a and Waimea swimming pools, which are generally closed on Mondays, will observe the holiday on Tuesday, January 19th, and will resume regular hours on Wednesday, January 20th. The schedule for residential refuse pickup will remain unchanged, and the Kauai bus will be operating on its regular schedule on the holiday. COVID testing will not be available on Monday, and we will not be producing this video on Monday. We will see you again next Wednesday. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.